Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Hostinger 2026. If you bought your domain from Hostinger and built your site on Wix, you'll need to connect them properly. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Wix to Hostinger in 2026 step by step. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to get Wix name servers. You're going to open the Wix dashboard right here. You're going to make sure to go to manage.wix.com and make sure to connect using your account. After that, you're going to set up your business. And once you finish, you're going to go to domains. You're going to look for domains here and click on domains. Search for them. Once you find the domain section, you're going to click on it like this. And then you're going to select connect to a domain you already own. Once you click on that, you're going to copy the Wix name server addresses. Now, after that, you're going to log into Hostinger. We're going to go to another tab, and then we're going to type in Hostinger, like this. And there, you're going to open the Hostinger app, like this. I'm going to turn it and translate it into English. Let's access the English here. We're going to access the English version of Hostinger. After that, you're going to click on accept. You're going to connect, make sure to connect to your accounts. And after that, you're going to go in the Hostinger dashboard. You're going to go to domains and select your domain and open DNS and name servers. Now, the third step is to change the name servers. You're going to replace your Hostinger name server with Wix name server and save changes. And then you're going to wait for propagation. It will take up to 48 hours and Wix will confirm once connected. Now, make sure do not edit DNS during propagation and use the name servers instead of pointing for simplicity, because the SSL activates automatically. And that's how you connect to Hostinger in 2026 and get your site live smoothly. This was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.